Class 4, Lesson 2, The Northern Mountains. The northern mountains include the Himalaya and the Karakoram mountain ranges. The Himalayas lie in the north and northeastern part of India. They extend from Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh to a distance of about 2500 kilometers. Its width varies between 150 and 400 kilometers. In the north east, the Himalayan mountains are not very high and are known as the northeastern hills. The Himalayas is the tallest mountain system in the world. At the same time, this range is one of the youngest mountain ranges also. This beautiful mountain range is known as the abode of snow because snow covers all the tall peaks of this range. Mount Kanchenjunga, 8,598 meters, is the tallest mountain of the Himalayan range. Mount Everest and Mount Godwin Austen are the other high and important mountain peaks. Mount Everest, the tallest mountain of the Himalayas, is located in Nepal. Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay were the first two climbers to scale Mount Everest in 1953. Bochendri Paul was the first Indian woman to climb this peak in 1984. Karakoram Mountains lie in the northwest of the Himalaya, beyond river Indus. These are in the northern part of Kashmir. K2 or Mount Godwin Austen, the highest mountain peak in India, lies in the Karakoram Mountains. The Himalayas consist of three parallel ranges. They are the Great Himalaya, Himadri, the Middle Himalaya, Himachal, the Lesser Himalaya, Shivalik. Himadri Range. The Himadri Range is the mountain range which is in the extreme north. It is the highest range and it remains covered with snow throughout the year. There are many high peaks like Kanchenjunga and Annapurna in it. Slow-moving rivers of ice called glaciers start from these mountains. Many rivers originate from these glaciers. Some of these rivers are Indus, Ganga, Yamuna, Sutlej, and Brahmaputra. The Ganga starts from the Gangotri Glacier and the Yamuna starts from the Yamunotri Glacier. Himachal Range. Himachal Range is the mountain range which is located in the middle of Himalayas or to the south of the Himadri. It consists of many beautiful valleys. Valleys are low areas between the mountains or hills like Kashmir, Kullu and Kangra. Oak, fir, deodar and pine are the important trees of these forests. Hill stations like Srinagar, Shimla, Dalhousie, Mussoorie, Nainital and Dharmashala are located here. Shivaliks. The foothills of the Himalayas, called the Shivaliks, have thick forests. These forests are home to many wild animals. People in the Shivaliks practice terrace farming. They also rear cattle and grow fruits like apple, pear, plum, etc. The foothills of the Shivaliks are called terai. Forests here have been cut and the land is used for farming. Our government has developed many wildlife sanctuaries and national parks in this region. The Jim Corbett National Park in Uttaranchal was India's first national park. Life in the Himalayas. It is too cold for people to live in the upper reaches of the Himalayas, but people live and work in the lower slopes. The states of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand are in the western Himalayas. Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, the northern part of West Bengal, Assam, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Manipur, and Mizoram lie in the eastern Himalayas. Jammu and Kashmir. This part of India is sometimes called paradise on earth. It is famed for its beauty. Its natural beauty attracts tourists from all over the world. The state has two capitals, Srinagar in summer and Jammu in winter. The climate is very cold. People speak Urdu, Kashmiri, Dogri, and Ladakhi. They wear a long woolen garment called the firan. Men and women cover their heads to keep warm. They also use a kangri or pot of burning coals to stave off the cold. Kashmiri celebrate Eid and Shivaratri. In winter, people stay indoors and make a variety of handicrafts in wood, metal, and paper machine. They weave silk and woolen shawls and carpets. Kashmiri carpets are famous all over the world. Agriculture is the chief occupation of the people. They grow rice, wheat, maize, rajma, apples, cherries, peaches, and walnuts. Saffron, an important cash crop, is cultivated here. Some people rear sheep and goats. Places like Srinagar, Pahalgam, Gulmarg, the temple of Vaishno Devi, and the Amarnath caves are famous tourist spots. There are several lakes such as the Dal and the Ular. Some people live here in houseboats. There are floating markets and shops on the lakes. Ladakh is the northeastern parts of the state is known for its remoteness and beauty.